In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Windows 10 command prompt. This is a useful skill to have whether you're troubleshooting, executing batch files, or diving into system processes. We'll explore two primary methods to open it, making sure you can access it whenever you need. First, let's start with the more traditional approach using the Start menu. Begin by clicking on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key on your keyboard. This is a handy shortcut that takes you straight to the Start menu without the need for a mouse. Once the Start menu is open, you'll notice a search bar. Here, simply type either CMD or command prompt. As you start typing, you'll see search results appearing. Now look through these results and select command prompt. A quick click and there you have it. The command prompt window should now be open in front of you, ready for you to start typing commands. An alternative method to access the command prompt involves using the Run dialog. This is a quicker and more direct way, especially if you're navigating your system using the keyboard. For this, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. Doing so will pop up the small and simple Run dialog window. This feature is designed to quickly execute applications or open documents. In the text field of the Run window, type CMD, then hit Enter on your keyboard. This action will immediately open the command prompt for you. Both methods are straightforward and give you flexibility depending on your current task or preference for using a mouse versus keyboard shortcuts. Familiarizing yourself with both will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency when working on a Windows 10 system. If you're more comfortable with graphical interfaces, the Start menu method might be more intuitive for you. However, if you're looking to speed up the process, using the Run dialog could be your go-to method. Remember, the command prompt is a powerful tool that allows for a range of operations, from simple actions like checking your IP address to more complex scripting and debugging tasks. So, having quick access at your fingertips is incredibly beneficial. Now that you know how to access it, you can start exploring different commands to suit your needs. Feel free to experiment and familiarize yourself with the various functions it offers. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in teaching you how to access the command prompt in Windows 10. Keep practicing these steps and soon, opening the command prompt will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.